Hello guys, welcome to all in Social Node. Today we will discuss about M.S.A. Rao, an eminent sociologist who gave his whole life dedicated for the development and prosperity of Indian sociology, a person renowned for his thinking, his ability to develop the skills behind Indian tradition. His way to describe things is totally phenomenal. Today we will discuss about a brief life sketch about him. It includes his life journey, his achievements, his style of writings, and some important books in which he contributed and some which were written by him. His personal life. His full name is Madhugiri Samarao Ananta Padmanabha Rao. He was born on 26th of September 1926 and breathed his last in 12th December 1985 at the age of 59. Let's discuss about his academic life. Rao has a brief scholarly background. He was a great in studies. He had studied at the University of Bombay, and it was there that he formed a lifelong association with G.S. Ghure. He was totally influenced by G.S. Ghure. Even his writings were also little bit influenced by Ghure. Rao was a professor of sociology who had been a founder member in 1959, and it was his contribution that the Department of Sociology at the University of Delhi got resulted. His domains of writings were very much interesting. He wrote and edited extensively on key areas such as social aspects of nutrition, where he discussed about the nutritional status and the importances both urban and rural sociology extensively, the sociology of migration and how it affected Indian society and the demography, the social dominance in which he described about dominancy in society. He conducted much field works regarding the above topics as a part of various researches concluded by him. Let's move on to his achievements. As a scholarly writer, he achieved many things. Recognition of his works came in various forms. It includes the recipients of G.S. Ghure Award in 1979, a mentor he was of influenced, the S.C. Roy Memorial Gold Medal of the Asiatic Society in 1982, and the publication of at least one Jereng script. Following his death, also, a memorial scholarship and an academic award were named for him. His achievements were totally extraordinary, who totally developed his career for the sake of Indian sociology. Rao, an agile sociologist. An agile means as an active person who always get in depth to a particular situation. As a sociologist, he also can be considered as an agile person who always devoted his life in this subject. He went on to hold various visiting appointments in various prestigious institutions in international level. It includes United States, in which the universities of Syracuse and Pennsylvania, as well as in Britain in the School of Oriental and African Studies. He was also a frequent participant in various academic conferences and traveled widely in order to do above all. Some of his famous writings were Social Change in Malabar in 1957. 1970 includes Urbanization and Social Change, a study of a rural community on a metropolitan fringe. Tradition, Rationality and Change, Essays in Sociology of Economic Development and Social Change in the year 1972. In 1974, he edited Urban Sociology in India, Reader and Sourcebook, in which various papers were edited by him. In 1979, he brought Social Movements and Social Transformation, a study of two backward classes movement in India, a phenomenal book by him. In 1984, he, with the help of K. Rangarao, written Cities and Slums, a study of a squatters settlement in the city of Vijayawada. In 1986, with the help of R. S. Khare, he wrote Food, Society and Culture, Aspects in South Asian Food System. Apart from these mentioned books, he also extensively wrote various journals and articles. He also a famous person in Economic and Public Weekly. His total life was devoted for the development of sociology. Hence, he was a part and a great person in the Indian society, in the portion of Indian sociology. Thank you. Do like and subscribe if the content made you feel great, and please mention about the flaws of anything mentioned by me.